Today's topic is graphical solution of linear inequalities in two variables. In the previous exercise 6.1 we have already completed with inequalities in one variable, and we just went for drawing the number line for plotting the inequalities and finding out the range or the solution of x in natural number, in integers and in real numbers. Now in this topic, as two variables are there, that is x and y, we are going to draw these inequalities or the solution of the inequalities we are going to find in or calculate in coordinate plane. Now a coordinate plane existing of x and y axis. So we are going to draw the graph which includes x and y axis. We'll plot the points and then the solution will be decided. So there will be three types of lines given here. Ax plus by equal to c, that is the equality. Ax plus by greater than c, one of the inequality, and ax plus by less than c. So there will be three possibilities. So while drawing a line, the coordinate plane will always be divided into two parts. So accordingly the solution is to be calculated. Starting with exercise 6.2, the first equation is x plus y is less than 5. Now as it is given less than 5, to draw the line we are going to assume one time the value of x as 0, another time the value of y as 0. The main aim of assuming 0, 0 for both x and y is, at least we'll come to know that where the line intersect the axis, and if the line is intersecting the axis, the region becomes a bounded region, a closed region. So for that, for drawing the line, we will equate x plus y equal to 5. Now in this equation, one time taking the value of x as 0, so putting x 0, y value becomes 5, and if we keep y as 0, x becomes equal to 5. So minimum two values are needed. Now as both the values are positive, we have taken up only the positive axis of x and y. Plotting 5 in x-axis and 5 in y-axis. Plotting the points, 0, 5 lies in y-axis and 5, 0 lies on x-axis. Now the line which is being drawn connecting both these points, it will not be a complete line but a dotted line is being drawn. The reason is the equality sign is not there. If the equality sign is not there, then the line drawn connecting the points will be a dotted line. So after drawing this line, now where the solution lies, for that we have to select one of the point either on this side towards the left side of the line or from the right side of the line. But here, as right side points we have not plotted, we will take one of the point from left of the line. Suppose we take 0, 0. Now 0, 0 is lying towards this half of the line. So taking 0, 0, keeping in this inequality, in the place of x and y, 0 and 0. So 0 plus 0 is less than 5. So the point 0, 0 satisfies the inequality. Therefore, the solution lies towards 0, 0. So here you will find, after drawing the line, one part of the area is shaded because this shaded area denotes that the solution lies in this plane, this side of the line. So this is how the solution of inequality is being taken up. Now question number 2 is given as 2x plus y greater than or equal to 6. To draw the line, we will go for equating it to 6. Now as per the requirement, we will take one time x equal to 0 and calculate y. So if x is 0, y is 6. And one time taking y as 0 and calculating x, we get 3. Now both these points are positive. So taking up the positive axis, marking till 6 for y and 6 for x. The first point 0, 6 lies on y-axis and 3, 0 lies on x-axis. Now as the sign of equality is there, we have to draw a dark line. That means we are not going to draw a dotted line, it will be a complete line. What the equality sign indicates, that the solution on the line, that means the points on the line are also the solution. Whereas in dotted line, the points on the line are not the solutions. Now to decide which side is to be shaded, after drawing this line, we have to take one of the point from either of this plane. So best point is select 0, 0. So selecting 0, 0 and keeping in this inequality, we get 0 greater than or equal to 6, which is wrong. 0 cannot be greater than or equal to 6. So therefore, the side towards 0 is not to be shaded. The opposite side is to be shaded. If it satisfies, then 0 side is to be shaded. If it does not satisfy, then the opposite side is to be shaded. And whatever the line is drawn, that line equation you need to write. Here it is 2x plus y equal to 6, the equation of this line. So this is how the graphs of inequality will be taken up. The third example is 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 12. Now to plot the graph or the points, we will make it 3x plus 4y equal to 12. Now one time taking x as 0, another time taking y as 0, we will be getting the value of y as 3 if x is 0, keeping here 0 in the equation and calculating the value of y, you will get 3. In the same equation, putting the value of y as 0, x will be 4. Now again both the x's have positive values, we will be drawing the positive axis for x as well as for y. Now plotting the points and then drawing the line joining the points. First point is 0, 3. Second point is 4, 0, which lies on the x-axis. And the first point 0, 3 lies on the y-axis. Connecting it with a line, and here we are not going to draw a dotted line. Reason, the equality sign is there. After drawing the line, then to decide which part is the solution. For that, we will take it up 0, 0, that is origin, as the point, and put it in this inequality. So putting it in inequality, we got 0 less than or equal to 12. Now as 0 less than or equal to 12 is true, that means it satisfies the inequality. Therefore, the side towards 0, 0 is to be shaded. So 0, 0 lies here. So from this line, this side is to be shaded for the solution of the inequality. Question number 4. It is given as y plus 8 is greater than or equal to 2x. To draw the line and taking up the points, we will equate it to 2x. Now for both x and y, we have to select 0, 0 and calculate y as well as x. So if first time we are taking x as 0, then y will be equal to minus 8, solving this equation. And if we are taking y as 0, x will be 4. Now as negative side of y and positive x is there, we will take the positive x-axis and negative y-axis. Plotting the point, first point as 0 minus 8, second point as 4, 0. A line is drawn, and this line will not be a dotted line as equality is there. After drawing the line, this line divides the plane into two parts. Now taking one point from either of them, either of these parts, suppose we are taking 0, 0. So keeping 0, 0 in the inequality, we get here 0 plus 8 greater than or equal to 0. So 8 is greater than or equal to 0. It is true, therefore the solution will lie towards 0. So the side lying towards 0 is being shaded. Now fifth one, the equation given here is x minus y is less than or equal to 2. Now to plot the points, we will equate it to 2. So x minus y equal to 2, taking 0, 0 on either side. So if x is 0, y is minus 2. If y is 0, x is 2. Now as it is positive x and negative y, we have taken positive x-axis and negative y-axis. Plotting the first point as 0 minus 2, second point as 2, 0. Drawing the line, and this line will not be a dotted line as equality sign is there. Now to which side is to be shaded? For that again 0, 0 is selected. Keeping 0, 0 in this inequality, we get 0 less than or equal to 2. Now 0 less than or equal to 2 is a correct inequality. Therefore, side towards 0 is being shaded. Sixth one is 2x minus 3y greater than 6. So to draw the line, we will equate it to 6. So taking one time x as 0, y will be minus 2, and taking y as 0, x will be 3. Now taking up the positive and the negative y-axis and positive x-axis, plotting the first point as 0 minus 2, second point as 3 0, drawing the line. Now as equality sign is not there, it will be a dotted line. Now to which side is to be shaded, we will take 0 0, that is the origin. Keeping 0 0 in this inequality, 0 minus 0 is greater than 6. So 0 is greater than 6 is not correct. So towards 0 0 we don't have to shade it. It will be shaded just opposite side of 0. So here the opposite side of 0 is being shaded. The side towards 0 is not to be shaded. Seventh one is minus 3x plus 2y greater than or equal to minus 6. Make it equal to minus 6. Taking one time x equal to 0, another time y equal to 0, and calculating it. If x is 0, y is minus 3. If y is 0, then x is 2. So here it is positive x-axis and negative y-axis. Plotting the point 0 minus 3 on y-axis and 2 0 on x-axis. Here the line will not be dotted as the equality sign is there. Now which side is to be shaded? So take 0 0 and keep it in this inequality. So 0 plus 0 greater than or equal to minus 6. So 0 is greater than or equal to minus 6 is a true statement. Therefore, the side towards 0 0 is to be shaded. Eighth one is 3y minus 5x less than 30. Plotting the points. So taking one time x equal to 0, y will become 10, and taking y as 0, x will be minus 6. Now as here x is negative, y is positive, so drawing positive side of y and negative side of x. Now as till 10 is needed in y, you can plot the points by taking a difference of 2 on y-axis. So here it is taken 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. And on the x-axis till minus 6. Plotting the first point as 0, 10 on y-axis, minus 6, 0 on x-axis. A line is drawn, but this line will be dotted line as equality sign is not there. Now taking a point from either side, that means always we take 0 0. So taking 0 0, putting in this inequality, 0 will become less than 30, which is true. It satisfies the inequality. Therefore, the side towards 0 0 is to be shaded. Now the point arises, if the line is passing through 0 0, that is from origin, then we cannot take 0 0 as a point. We have to select either the point from the y-axis or from the x-axis other than 0 0. So this is how the points are to be taken up to decide which side is to be shaded. Ninth is y is less than minus 2. So as minus 2 is there and y is less than minus 2, then on y axis drawing minus 2 or plotting minus 2, a dotted line will pass through it, passing through minus 2 because equality sign is not there, and that line will be perpendicular to y axis. Now here 0 0 we cannot take because it is not in the form of an equation, only one variable is there. So it is read as y is less than minus 2. Now all the values or all the points below minus 2 will be less, hence minus 2 downside is being shaded. 10th one is x is greater than minus 3. Now minus 3 lies towards negative side of x-axis, and as it is a one variable, the line drawn will be perpendicular to x-axis, passing through minus 3. Again it will be a dotted line as equality sign is not there. Now x is greater than minus 3. So all the values towards right side of minus 2 is greater. Hence the right of minus 2 is being shaded.